Please ignore my hands as I am dealing with a very bad skin infection, so you will see my red hands popping. With the help of this stencil, I have made 3 different sizes of circles: medium, small and big. I find it easier to work with it like that. So this is the bigger one, medium, small and a loose one. So keep in mind we are making loose coils. Using different strips we'll get different types of shapes. To make a bigger coil, we are going to glue 2 strips together and we'll get this type of coil. So without talking too much, let's start. Click on the link above to see how to make a tight coil. Now place your coil on the circle and slowly leave it. You've made your first coil. Now glue it and press for 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Continue doing the same thing. Kindly note, this is my style of making a loose coil. Everybody will get a different size and shape. So here are our loose coils. Everything is ready. I have made few in teardrop shape. With the help of your index finger and your thumb, pinch at the corner of the paper to give it a teardrop shape. Our teardrops are ready. I left the bigger coils in circle. This video will be in 2 parts, so don't forget to see the next video next week. Let's see how creative we can get and what we can make of these teardrops.